Hello, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going on a mouth-watering adventure to explore one of Korea's most beloved dishes, galbi. But that's not all. We've got some fascinating unknown facts about galbi that you might not have heard before. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of deliciousness and discovery. Galbi, also known as kalbi, is a delicious and savory Korean dish made from marinated and grilled beef short ribs. But did you know that the origins of galbi can be traced back to ancient Korea? It was traditionally a dish enjoyed by the Korean royalty during the Goryeo and Joseon dynasties. Now, the magic of galbi lies in its marinade. What's the secret behind its mouth-watering flavor? Besides the usual suspects like soy sauce, garlic, and sugar, there's a lesser-known key ingredient, Asian pear. The enzymes in the pear help tenderize the meat, making it incredibly juicy and tender. When it comes to galbi, there are two primary cuts you need to know about, LA galbi and Wang galbi. LA galbi is thinly sliced across the bones, making it perfect for grilling quickly. On the other hand, Wang galbi is cut thicker and provides a more robust, chewy texture. The grilling of galbi is an art form in itself. Traditionally, galbi was grilled over an open flame, adding a delightful smoky flavor. However, nowadays, it's commonly cooked on a Korean barbecue grill, allowing you to savor the dish at restaurants or even in the comfort of your home. While beef is the most common meat used in galbi, there are exciting variations that cater to different tastes. For those who prefer pork, Dwaeji galbi offers the same delicious marinade, but with pork ribs. And for our vegetarian friends, there's tofu galbi, which uses marinated tofu for a delightful twist. Korean culture and cuisine have been spreading across the globe, and galbi is no exception. You can find various interpretations of galbi in different countries. In Hawaii, you'll find a popular version called kalbi short ribs, influenced by Korean immigrants who settled there. Galbi isn't just a delicious dish, it's also a symbol of celebration and togetherness. In Korea, galbi is a favorite choice for special occasions, family gatherings, and holidays like Chuseok, Korean Thanksgiving, and Lunar New Year. While grilling is the most common method, galbi has found its way into other dishes too. From galbijjim, a braised version, to galbi tang, a hearty soup, the versatility of this dish is truly astounding. And there you have it, foodies. We hope you enjoyed this gastronomic journey through the world of Korean galbi. From its regal origins to its worldwide influence, galbi has charmed its way into the hearts and palates of many. If you have any exciting galbi facts or stories to share, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy eating.